Testing, testing. What's good, everybody? If you're with me, say hi in the chat. What's up? If you're with me, say hey in the chat. Hey, right on time, as always. When I ever do a live, I'm always right on time because I do them randomly at random times, so I can never not be on time. Now, I have heard that it is probably for YouTubers to do, which is to have a consistent schedule. Unfortunately, having, one teenager, one preteen, and a 9.5-month-old baby, it makes it very difficult to have a set schedule. There's always something going on. I think I mentioned this in every stream. The truth be the truth. You know what I mean? Why is this bar? Can this bar not hide? How you doing, Tony? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, Sniper's Nightmare? Y'all doing all right tonight? Where is Lock? the taskbar? Guys, what in the world? I want to get this taskbar off of here. Replace command prompt. Automatically hide taskbar and tablet mode. Lock the taskbar. Automatically hide the desktop mode. There we go. There it is. Yeah. Yeah. Guys. Guys. First of all. Hey, Red Bull at midnight. Red Bull at 6 p.m. I mean, you know. I mean, not Red Bull. This is ocean water found at the bottom of Alcatraz or something. I don't know. I'm not going to have that whole gimmick. That's not my thing. You know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, how about this little short squeeze that we just had on Bitcoin? Say what? I think someone said in the Discord earlier today something about 18K, 18.2. I said to that person, I can't remember who it was. Hopefully, if they're watching or if they end up watching, they can say who it was. But yeah, I basically agreed with them. I said, yeah, I could see that. I said I see what you're seeing, because I saw what they were seeing. So, which was, I think it was a vector candle, but we're gonna get into all of that. Sniper Nightmare saying he just got back in AVAX. Next order at $16. I'm going to assume that is he just got back in it. Next order at 16. It's at 16, 11, 16. Man, it is going bananas right now. All right, look, everything is going kind of crazy right now. I kind of want to, I have like a set thing that I wanted to do like a rundown on, but you guys tell me, do we want to hop in the charts real quick, just spend some time on that first and then get to the other stuff? Or do we want to just go ahead and get to the other stuff? Because, I mean, I got a full list of stuff I was going to go over. So, yeah. So, maybe we can just go ahead and hop on over to AVAX real quick, because it has been having an insane pump. And let's go over here. Let's go here. First of all, let's see AVAX, Amazon. So let's see. This is what I heard. So AWS partners with Avalanche to scale blockchain solutions. All right. So wait, let's go to the CoinDesk. This is 6 hours ago. This is 4 hours ago. Man, I really wish somebody would have said something about this, because, you know, that's pretty big news. A partnership with freaking Amazon. AVAX is probably about to go on a crazy run. We'll see. I mean, we still have market forces, but, you know, external market forces. So there's still that. There's still the broader market in general. So I don't know. I'm too stupid and trigger shy to hop in a trade right now. Well, I don't know about too stupid. Maybe too ignorant when it comes, at least when it comes to trading. Trigger shy, I mean, even the most experienced traders, it's good to be trigger shy, because that means you're thinking about it, right? So it's good. You got to be able to pull the trigger, though. When your conditions are met, you've got to be able to pull that trigger. But it's not bad to just kind of, it's never bad to take a trade if you're not confident in the trade. As a matter of fact, you shouldn't take a trade if you're not confident in that trade. So, like, you know, very confident, not just like, it might go up, or it might go in a direction. of where I'm looking, but I mean, you just never know. So, I see Alex has joined. What's up, LFG? Let's fucking go. Auto gang here, even when working. Yes, I love to see it, man. Love to see it. And Anonymous ask, is any of this financial advice? Well, my friend, I'm here to tell you, no, none of this is financial advice. This is just opinion and education. Maybe even edutainment. Maybe I'll do something wacky. Probably not. But anyway, Amazon Web Services taps Avalanche to help bring blockchain technology to enterprises, governments. What's this? Governments? All right. So, I do want to go over this real quick because this is big news, and I don't know how I missed it. What's up, Jonas? Yeah. I don't know how I missed this. I don't know how did anybody miss this? Like, what the heck? But let's dig into it and see just how big it is. All right, so cloud computing platform Amazon Web Services will work with Ava Labs to try to bring wider adoption of blockchain technology by enterprises, institutions, and governments. The two companies announced in a blog post Wednesday. The partnership will make it easier. Hold on, the partnership will make it easier for developers to launch and manage nodes on the Avalanche blockchain as AWS, that's Amazon Web Service, for those that don't know. AWS will support for Avalanche's infrastructure and decentralized applications, dApps. Ava Labs also plans to add subnet deployment, a network within a network, to the AWS marketplace, enabling both individuals and institutions to easily launch custom subnets. Quote, it has been a huge boon for both individual and enterprise developers to be able to spin up nodes and test networks on the fly with AWS in whatever legal jurisdiction makes the most sense for them. Eamon Gun Sire, founder and CEO of Ava Labs. Is it Ava or Ava Labs? Ava Labs? Ava Labs. Although the partnership with Ava Labs... that sounds funny, is AWS's first partnership with a blockchain project. Several other blockchains, including Ethereum and other smaller ones, already use AWS to power their networks. So, it's not really that big of a deal. What's up? I know I might butcher it, but it looks like the color, but I don't think that's how you pronounce it. It's not cyan, is it? Just call you the Cryptolorian. That's all. By the way, how do I sound? Do I sound good? Do I sound good, guys? Do I need to be... I shouldn't have to turn myself up. Well, I might have to turn myself up. Yeah, y'all let me know. Auto gang. Yeah, I should have pulled the trigger at 16,740. It was the perfect setup for a long. Yeah, I mean, I should have pulled the trigger on a lot of things, but nothing happens. All good? All right, cool. All right. Oh, Avalanche is still going, guys. We're on the 5-minute time frame, of course. So this might be a good time to go ahead and, well, no. Let's continue on with the list, okay? We've got to go over what is important. What is important other than Avalanche freaking going nuts right now? I had this tab pulled up, but I accidentally closed the window, so, shit happens. Oh, wait, you're not supposed to cuss on YouTubes anymore. Dang it. It's a good thing I'm not monetized. All right, so we got CPI coming out tomorrow. It is 7:30 a.m. my time, which is Central Standard Time, so that's 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. What is that, like 7:30? Let's see, plus the 5. That's 12:30 plus the 2. That's 2. What is that? 2:30 UK time. 2:30 UK time. So that's when you should expect some movement. This one's actually, I feel like price action has been kind of building up to this moment, and it's like it's set up. It's almost like it's set up to make you want to go short because price has been going so high, and it's so there's a phase within. Let's just go ahead and look at it. Psychology of market cycle. And I'm sure everybody has seen this, okay? I'm sure everybody here has seen this. What time is it? All right, 12 minutes in. We're good. Oh, this one. Pop it up. Man, internet's being slow. I need some fiber optics. Key Ian is the closest I can get phonetically. Is it Key Ian? Is it like literally key, like 3 syllables, Key Ian? Or is it Kian? Or is it Ken? That's the Americanized version. That's the bastardized version. It's Ken. I'm just going to call you Ken, the Cryptolorian. Come on. Anyway, this is ridiculous. I can't believe how slow this is being right now. There's a part of the market cycle called disbelief anyway. So for some reason, these pictures just aren't loading. It's whatever. Oh, there it goes. But it's not on there. But anyway, it's disbelief. You don't, and that's when a rally starts, after you've been down for so long, it is really hard to believe that the rally is real. So psychologically, it's difficult for, most people to not be able to put their emotions to the side and look at the situation for what it is. So what it is bullish, super bullish price action with bullish news coming out. Now, this is what I think might happen with the CPI. This is at least one scenario. I could see CPI comes out. All right. Right now, we're good. We're just going to look at the year over year. There we go. So there it is. All right, so the previous was 7.1%, okay? The forecast is 6.5%. So the forecast is 6.5%. So what if, let's say it comes out at 6.8%? Well, it shows that we're down from over a year ago, but it was greater than what was forecasted. So maybe we see when it's greater, when it's forecasted, maybe we see a big dump because people are looking at, we're not meeting expectations. So that gives people, that takes, the hope out of people. So they sell. Okay? But the thing is, when you get a mass sell like that, someone's buying. Someone's got to be buying. You can't sell if no one's buying. You feel me? So you start to sell. You start seeing the sell. Big sales starts to come, triggers. A lot of people start selling. Market makers filling his longs all the way down. Boom, 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 boom. Then you finally get to a point where you get a flush out, and then that's it. Market shoots straight back up. That is the bullish scenario for what I want to see happen tomorrow. So to put that into the visuals, that would basically be, let's just go to a higher time frame to make this So it's like, all right, CPI comes up. Oh yeah, it just so happens to be in this fair value gap area, up here. Just so happens to be up there, right? Just so happens to be up there. We get up into it. Maybe we even crack it. Okay, before CPI comes out, sometime tonight. Maybe we even crack it. If we crack it, that's pretty bullish. You're breaking strong resistance, first of all. This is on the 4 hour. That is a massive wick on the 4 hour. On a 4 hour candle, that's a big wick. That's big sell pressure, okay? So you've got price coming up into that area. More than likely, it won't even make it up here. You get your pullback. But because of the weight, because of the sell pressure that comes with the CPI news, you get that big, nice pullback. Let me get rid of these other lines. You get that big, nice pullback at resistance right here or somewhere in this box. You get that nice pullback, flush out all of the longs because people are going to have, we go down to the 1 hour. We're going to have people with a stop loss here. We're going to have people with a stop loss here. We're going to have people with a stop loss here. They're going to have stop losses all the way down, right? And they're going to flush all that out. And then once all that's flushed out, it can start moving back up. And then we can come up here. And once we break this with conviction, not just some kind of tiny break, once we break it with conviction and we get a pullback, that's when I'm going, personally, super long. I'm going hella long on that because I think, first of all, we'll get up to the top of this range up here, which is at about 21K. So got a nice big range here, right? Let's see. After all that explanation, let me go ahead and take a look at chat. What's been going on? Nothing new. Hey, Ken. LOL. 6.5 or higher, we drop. Love me a pullback and a fib pull. Yeah. Fibs are cool. Yeah. Haven't even looked at the fibs on this. So let's take a look. Let's take a gander here. Let's see what happens if let's say we get up to, where? Oh, this thing always turns off. Bam. Let's say we get up to that resistance just right there. Well, that would take you right back to this. It's almost perfect. That would take you right back down to this lowest. This is probably the lowest fair value gap down here, if I had to guess. If I go ahead and just turn on the price action concepts. It's also an order block down there. Fair value gap's on. Okay. Well, it's not. It's got the fair value gap up here. If I turn on Trader's Reality, let's see if there's a. All right, this one's not showing my vector candle zones. Is this not the right chart or the right indicator? Because I found out there's now 2 Trader's Reality indicators. And the main one is the main one. I need to take the other one off. All right, let's put that on. Let's take this one off. All right, now there we go. That's what I want to see. All right, so yeah, we do have a little sliver of a green vector here. Right here at 16,680 per the KuCoin chart. So 16,680. That's also right around the 786. That's a nice, decent sized pullback. The question is, how bullish are we? Okay, because if we're decently bullish, a 786 pullback, while it wouldn't be the end, like it wouldn't end the bullishness, I would just prefer a golden pocket pullback or even just a 50 and then move on. Just because that shows more strength in the move. But then again, Bitcoin, well, I mean, it's been kind of running high. What is it? What's it even up right now? Bitcoin, I'm just going to go from this bottom. Bitcoin up to here. 10%, I mean, okay. Hasn't really done much, especially compared to other coins. But take this off. So yeah, we do have this giant fair value gap up here, which probably maybe get filled overnight. I'm not quite sure how this is going to play out, but I would like to see us come up, then probably come down, take out at least these zones right here, come down to the golden pocket, and then rip to the upside. But probably a lot stronger than that. No, that's still Thursday, into Saturday. Yeah, maybe even a deeper cut like that. I mean, that would be crazy. It would be crazy. Now, it looks crazy because I'm drawing it like lines like that. But, it would just be something like if I go over to XRP, it'd be something that looks like this. It'd be something that looks like this right here. Just a big flush. I mean, and this one was quick. I mean, this was like 1 minute. Just a big flush, clear out all the orders, and then boom, right back up. And you're good. You're good. You've got your orders filled. You're good. You can move on. So, I don't know. What you guys think about... Oh, what up, Micah? It's good to see you in here, man. What are you guys thinking about CPI tomorrow? Let's see. Do you think we see bullish? If you think we see bullish continuation, a pullback first and then bullish continuation, type 1 in chat. If you think it's just we're just gonna dump and just go down and just keep going down, put a 2 in chat. There we go. Take a little drink. Love you too, Alex. I love you too. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is a custom-made shirt that my wife made for me. It's pretty dope, huh? She was gonna make the X like this big. And I said no. I said I want it bigger. Give me a bigger X. I want to almost touch my shoulders with the X. I want it big and obnoxious because I want people to see it. You feel me? Wanted to one, but I just want it to happen. Yeah, I mean, fake pump up, then drop. Think this is just the prep move. Wait, she made that? Badass. Yes, my wife did make it. All prep. It is prep. But that's the freaking thing, man. It's bullish preparation. Bullish preparation. Okay? Because everything that we are seeing on this way up, or I should say, all of this whole structure right here is accumulation. This is not distribution. This is accumulation. Full stop. Accumulation. Okay? This thing, they always want you to Look, everybody thinks it's going to drop, and everybody knows to expect a fake out. So everybody's going to expect a fake out. And guess what's going to happen? They're going to get it. They're going to get a fake out to the upside. Then it's going to come down. I'm just going to show you what I think is going to happen. Okay? This is my opinion. This is not financial advice. Don't make any moves based off of this or whatever. Yeah. Y'all know how it is. So this is what I expect. This price action right here is what I expect to be seeing in the morning, okay? Just sideways. Sideways and boring. Consolidation range, okay? So where'd the thing go? Okay, so we got a consolidation range in here. Highs and your lows. We'll go with the lowest low down there. And then we'll go with the highest high after the move. Okay, so up, down. I'll go with that low. Really, I should be doing this low, but I think we'll form a little bit more. But anyway, I think it's going to look like this in the morning. There's going to be a box of a range. That's what we're going to be looking at. And what's going to happen is we're going to pop up out of that box. We're going to come down, wipe orders out, and then bang, bang to the upside. That's what I think is going to happen. Now, you can short that and make some money, but you got to get out because they're going, I think, to rip it back to the upside. I just do. I feel like everybody expects the worst. And I am a very big contrarian trader. I like to trade against, like, I'm not seeing people screaming to the moon. I'm seeing people not believing what they are seeing. And that is key to me. They're not believing in the rally. And to me, that makes me believe in the rally because it goes completely against what I should be feeling, what I think I should be feeling. So that's just how I think. Like I'm just completely outside of the box market maker, you know? I'm not bullish. See, and that's the thing. Once you get that fake out to the upside and then you start coming down, people are going to believe that that is a move down. So they're going to short. They're going to throw in massive shorts probably. And then because we've been going up for so long. And there will be few people that actually catch the move and get out at the right time. But it's going to be quick. It's going to be quick. So, for me, personally, I'm going to wait to see. I'm just going to wait for market structure. I'm just going to look at market structure, see how everything plays out, and then go from there. So, because it does depend on, because if we got that box, you know, we got that box, and let's say we get a fake out to the upside, then a fake out to the downside, and then a fake out to the upside, and then it rips back down. So it's going to be fluid. Like you've got to be paying attention if you're going to be playing a CPI, an FOMC, any type of, you know, major news that is like on a set date, on a set time, you know. So you've got to be paying attention if you plan on trading in those moments. And you've got to know what to look for like reversals and for reversals basically, because you don't want to get caught, you know. You don't want to FOMO into. I actually have no problem with FOMOing as long as it's right at the beginning of a strong move and you're in and out. But don't FOMO once a candle's already, you know, this all the way up like this. Don't FOMO into this, you know. You don't just you're all the way up here. Don't do it. Don't do it. But I say FOMO because it's not really FOMO. It's more of just an in and out, you know, snipe play. You know, you're just sniping the price action. So it's really what it is. It's not really FOMO because I don't have you're you know, snipers, two traders. You know, they're not thinking about, oh, I don't want to miss this trade. They're thinking, okay, they're seeing if they can take advantage of the trade. First of all, that's the main thing. Can I take advantage of this big move? They calculate their decisions and then they pull the trigger. Now, typically, I would come down to the lower time frames if I am looking for something like that. You know, I want to be like on the 1 minute because I don't want. This is probably about to Bart. I don't know. That's funny how it just like stops and it's just like. Where's my other indicator? I don't understand. Sorry, one sec, guys. My other indicators aren't on here for some reason. Will someone go in the Discord and tell Unawarewolf that I'm on YouTube and not doing a Discord stream? Please and thank you. Thank you, Tony. There it is. All right. Sorry about that. Got a little distracted. All right, 2 minutes not going to show up on the CVD candles, so. All right. Or 1 minute's not. 2 minute will. So right now, we are trading above the 1 on our CVD. That's cumulative volume delta. We're trading up so far for the day, but really, really kind of flat, especially the candles themselves. And this is coming up while price is just sideways, if not slightly down. So, not really showing a lot of strength right now. Hold on to my mic holder a lot. So this is good to see. This does show me that this was not, well, let me go ahead and make sure. No, yeah. So this was a green candle. So that means, yeah, we got green, red, green. I mean, that's typically really bullish. So I like this. That is bullish price action. But we could see, this is on the 2 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let's just kind of zoom out a little bit. 17.5 makes a lot of sense. So we got order block there. What I was gonna say is that, like, if this was, well, yeah, this is actually, so we got a giant green candle, right? And price has come down and started consolidating. So right now we have a lot of buyers and even sellers, I would say, trapped. They're kind of trapped. We've got traders trapped in this area. So market makers going to exploit it one way or the other, because we've got the people that were buying all up in here trapped, and we got people that were selling all up in here trapped. and we're just sideways in between both. So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? You're a trader. What am I gonna? I guess I'm just gonna hold it. When more than likely, for the next however many hours it is until the CPI, it's just gonna, I don't know, hang around this zone. You know? Would you stop? Thank you. But at some point, these vector candles got to get recovered. Let's go to the 1 hour and take a look. And let's see. So we have had, and that would be also an M pattern on top. So I don't see, I do expect a pullback. The question is how far, how quickly, and will there be a massive reversal? If the move is quick, if we do like a quick move and then it goes stagnant and then it just kind of slowly trickles down, then that's not going to be very bullish for the short term, obviously, because you're just slowly trickling down. But like a quick move down and then a pop up, that would show strength in this bullish price action that we've been seeing for the past week or so. So we got some, as Jason Casper calls them, some uneven butt cheeks on here. Got the uneven butt cheeks. And this is just, ooh, I mean, that's just massive. That's just accumulation, man. Like cups. Anytime you see a cup, it's typically accumulation. They're building. There's people. They're picking up Bitcoin. And these are just different levels that they do it at. This, I don't know if I would consider it a cup. It'd be a really weird cup. My stuff is laggy. I don't like that. So anyway, let's get into what I was going to get into. How you guys doing? Controlled FOMO. Yes, that is what I would call it. Yeah, I agree. Makes sense. I like obnoxious t-shirts. Yes. Yes. All right. So this is what I wanted to get into. Let's just go ahead and get rid of that. All right. All right, so I went over CPI. Now we're going to go over smart money concepts. If you're interested, please hit that like button. And if you're not interested, hit that like button anyway. If you've been enjoying the stream, hit that like button. If you haven't been enjoying the stream, hit that dislike button twice to really show me how much you dislike it. And subscribe to the channel, perhaps, and share with your friends and familia that you like, that you love so dearly. Just take a note so I don't forget it in the morning. Good deal. Good thing is, this is all recorded and it's going to stay on YouTube. So you can always go back and even do like 2x speed on it. All right. Let's get rid of this. That's all distraction. So, smart money concepts. I really want to go. I'm going to go I'm going to go one by one just to kind of not throw too much at you at once. Especially those that haven't even looked into smart money concepts. This is all new to you. I don't even. Yeah, I want to take that off. All right, there we go. That's all I want for right now. All I want. So first of all, this is the Lux Algo Premium Indicator. This is the their price action concepts indicator. It used to be called smart money concepts, but now it is called price action concepts. They do have a free version of this called smart money concepts. Um, I can go ahead and just look that up for you so you can see what it looks like. Smart money concepts. This is the free version by LuxAlgo. Um, Let me turn this one off. So yeah, you get all of the same market structures. Okay, the same market structure. It still gives you all of the break of structure, your change of characters, your strong change of characters, or your swing change of characters. Does it give you a strong? I don't see any Chotch pluses on here, but that doesn't mean. All right, well, I don't see it on this one. So on the other one, there's a Chotch plus, which just means it's a really strong change of character. And we will get into what well, I'm gonna save that for another video when we just really dive deep into this indicator, because there's just so much to it, and I've already gone over so much other stuff, and I only have so much time, uh, you know, to be live. Oh wow, I've been live for what time is it? 6:43. Wow, that's insane. Okay, so I need to speed this up a little bit. All right, so that's the free version. Cool. Shows you basically everything the same. So, but there is so much more to the premium indicator. That's not it. That is Trader's Reality, which is also free. And a powerful indicator, and we'll get into that. I guess I'm gonna have to push that for another video, another stream. So all right, so we've got market structure. So we've got so this one did say Chotch plus. So that means the strong change of character, which a change of character is you set a new high, or you set a high, you come down, you don't set a new low, and then you break that high. So that is a change of character. It suggests a reversal in the market. And it's because this is all just market structure. It's all based on the structure of the market. So, and then you have a break of structure, which is when you put in a low, and then you have a pullback, and then you come back down. That is a break of structure. You have it on the upside as well. You have a high, and then a low, and then when you come back up and you break that high right there, that's a break of structure. Now the dashed lines are internal, and they're internal structural structures, moves. What? Yeah. What would I call it? I don't even know. But those are the internals, and then those are for more like for day trading, while the solid line is for your swing plays. So that's for a swing move. Now, you could use both in combination, so you can say, hey, we have a strong change of character here, a strong bullish change of character. We're breaking out, and then we come down, then we hopefully see like an order block or something like that. We're about to get into that. But we come down, we back test something, and then we just rip to the upside. Now on this one, it did it twice. It came up and then down, and it came up, break of structure, and then down. So we broke structure here, broke structure here. We also have, this also displays equal lows and equal highs, which are supposed to indicate, like a double bottom or double top. And so this is kind of like a double bottom, but this is equal lows. What that suggests is that if it's an equal low, that means you have a lot of buy pressure, and if it's an equal high, then you have a lot of sell pressure. So we break our structure here. We get a change of character here. We come down. We do get a little pullback. I'm kind of surprised that it didn't pull all the way back down to this point right here. But then again, I do believe we're going to come and clear all of this out tomorrow and then move up. With the outside chance of this fair value gap and green vector candle zone right here being tapped. So that's not out of the question. For that to happen, I would probably think that, it would be a long, grueling way down to it. I don't think that all the way down here, I don't think that's going to happen tomorrow. I think that would, you never know. Price could just crumble, but, I really don't see that right now. It seems pretty strong. This whole move right here, before this little push up here, this is a healthy move up. You're stair stepping basically all the way up, and then you get your kind of like a blow off top. So this is where the market maker has stepped in, trying to entice your buyers. He sells into the buys because if you're buying, someone's selling. Who's selling? The market maker. So, and the market maker is selling on the way up, which means he's doing it with leverage. And then he stops selling. And when he stops selling and there's nothing to buy, price has to shift down to find balance and an agreed upon price in the market. There's always back and forth forces in the market. It's mostly driven by manipulation. At least the big moves are anyway. So, is it really a fair market value? Who knows? Once it becomes a big, like a massive market cap, it's going to be a lot more fair, but you're also going to have a lot less volatility, a lot less drastic moves. So yeah. Anyway, sorry if I get kind of squirrel out a little bit. If I do that, go ahead and just say in the chat, just like start blowing it up and be like, David, you're squirreling. You've lost me. All right. Okay. All right. So that's your market structures that Lux Algo just automatically throws on there for you. You can see right here, you have equal highs here. And then so what you can do with that is you can exploit it. You can say equal highs, and depending on your volume and, other factors, if you have confluence, you can say, all right, I'm going to short this. And then you can short it. Now, where you short it to, your targets, that's going to be based on your risk factor, a whole sort of other things that we'll go over in the future. But right now, I'm just giving you kind of the basics of this package. And I'm going to give you one strategy that I used this morning to get a 50% trade. It was on 20x leverage. So, and it's one strategy that I find is going to be pretty awesome. So, let's go ahead and do that. I have like 10 minutes left, so whoa. What is this? Get out of here. Woman says she had it. Okay, I'm not even. Okay. 5 million BTC shorted, says the Hungarian. I don't know what just happened. Anyway, where am I? Oh yeah, XRP. So this is the trade that I took this morning, and I will show you why. Now, I don't know why I had these lines drawn on here. This is on my desktop trading view, which I never use. And I probably won't again because it does still seem to be a bit laggy. Um, but anyway, I have these lines drawn on here for some reason. They're probably vector candle zones or order blocks or something, but we've come right up to it. So, I kind of wish I had this chart open so I would have seen that, but it is what it is. Um, should I keep those levels on there? It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to show you what I saw this morning and why I took the trade that I took. So, what did we have? Where was it specifically? What time was it? It was around 7. It's got to be this one. No. Yeah. Yeah. On the 5 minute. Yep. All right. So, oh, there it is. It's this one right here. All right. So, this is a strategy with this indicator that works pretty darn well. Okay. Now, I need to actually turn on the fair value gap. So, this is the fair value gap. Auto threshold, it filters out non-significant fair value gaps. So let's go ahead and turn that on. I always have that on. All right, so all these green boxes, these are fair value gaps. So if I go back to where I was, all right, so let me move this. This is done anyway. Delete it. Go away. All right. Let's zoom in so you can see. And I need to put the bar replay on so we can see exactly what I was seeing at that time. All right, so what I saw at the time was I saw XRP break this structure here. I saw it create this bullish chotch. It's an internal chotch. And then I was like, okay, now I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for a pullback, and then I'm going to long it. Because, I already I saw this strategy in a YouTube video. I shared it in my Discord, I think. But once I saw it, understood it, it was just like, once you understand market structure, stuff just starts to click, dude. Like, it's crazy. Ask Anonymous. Anonymous would tell you. It's insane. The BTC pullback that never came. Well, it might. Maybe. Market's green. All right, let's close this out. So I saw the chotch. So I'm like, cool, bullish chotch. We're good. Now this was a strong bearish chotch, change of character. But it didn't come down. And why is that? Because we did have the break, but then we came up. There was probably a fair value gap here, but it didn't hit anything really of significance. We come down. Possibly you could have shorted it, but you wouldn't have known to get out right here unless you're looking left and you see this fair value gap over here. But once you see that thing prop up, it doesn't matter. I didn't see it, so I'm going to go by what I saw at the time. I saw a bullish chotch. We're in a bullish environment in general. So that's also another thing that I think about. I'm also looking at volume. But though it's a volume, I'm also looking at volume. We had a giant red candle on the volume. But look, we had a lower wick, right? We had a lower wick, a long lower wick. That shows buying pressure. That shows buyers stepped up right there, even though we have a red candle. So that should tell you, okay, maybe this move, this change of character really isn't that strong, right? Okay, so now we've come up. Now I'm waiting for a pullback. Where's the play button? All right. Pops up. starts coming down, comes down, hits the fair value gap. That's unfortunately not where I got in at because I was at work, and yeah, I just kind of missed that part. But it moved up. I actually got in. Am I getting? I had a gala alert. Okay, whatever. Um, pullback. I actually didn't get in. I got in at 36.38 initially. So I got in right here. I got in right here, right in the middle of this red candle, kind of. But anyway, so I got in right there because I saw the pullback, fair value gap. Didn't want to miss it. Got in, jumped, and then next thing I know, it pops up. And I'm just like, yo, all right, maybe there's something to this whole chotch thing, am I right? And the pullbacks. And then it pulled back again. And I was like, on this move right here, I only put 50% in because I thought we were going to come down lower to be that's what it was. I only put 50% of the money I wanted to put into the trade at this moment. I remember now. Sorry, it was 12 hours ago. So it's been a long day. So that's what it was. So I got in here, it came up, it came back down. I only put in 50% of what I wanted to in here, came up just in case because I did see this fair value gap, and the fact that we didn't even come into it, I was like, maybe we could come back down and come back into it lower. But then I saw that pop up. That's a pretty strong move. I was like, okay, that's okay. We might be going up. But then we have this pullback again, right? So once we get this pullback, and I see, where was it? It wasn't that. I didn't jump in all the way on this candle because I was in before that. Maybe I just got the pullback. I'm pretty sure I just got the pullback because got it at like 36.40. It was 36.50. That's what it was. I remember because I had a limit order set. I got in on this candle. It came up. I said, all right, if it comes back down to 36.50, because that's a half number of the cent, 36.5 cents basically. I was like, if it comes back down to that, cool. I got an order set. Got that order set. So my average ended up being like 36.44. Cool. Great trade. Whatever. I'll hold on to it. It starts going. And it just starts going. And it starts. I'm still in it at this point. Still waiting. Actually, probably not in it at this point. Once I start seeing these giant wicks, that's when I get out. I don't like it. And I was already at 50% on my trade, so I definitely got out. So, and then it's been coming down and just kind of ranging ever since. We go to real time. So, yeah, that's all it's been doing. It's just ranging ever since. But at least, hey, I caught a move, and it took up how much did I make? Or how quickly was it? So if I got in, where's 7? So if I got in right here and sold up here, was 50%, it'd be 2.5%. So I got it 2.5%. It was probably like something like that. So it was like an hour. I feel like it was way less than that, though. It was probably this freaking candle right here that I got out of. 55 minutes. Man. That's kind of crazy. I didn't think I was in that trade that long. But, hey, anything that's less than 2 hours is a good trade for me, especially when it's 50%. So, all right, guys. Yeah, no, should have moved. Thank God I shut the short down. All right, BTC 18,200. Uh-oh. Like right now? Oh, yeah, it broke out again. That was the mark. Is it going to keep going? 288 on KuCoin. Let's back up. Oh, we gonna see it break right now? If this thing breaks, oh man, this is cool. Oh man, I love exciting price action while I'm live. So awesome. So awesome. Look at this volume over here and look at this volume over here. And I don't think this move is fake. What am I? Just wait. That volume's going to come in and it's going to be that flush out and that big move up. Or it'll just come down and then and we get a slow grind back up. We'll meet some resistance again until we finally break it. Who knows? When it comes to the macro, it's a lot different than, the scalping, doing your little trades anywhere from, 5 minutes to 2 hours. Awesome. I think I got a good idea of where things are gonna go. But macro, I mean, I do have a good idea of where things are gonna go, but trying to predict 2 or 3, even just 2 or 3 days out into the future, I mean, that's a tough task, man. It's a tough task. You can kind of get the formation of how you think things are gonna go. That might be a little bit easier, but as far as levels, I mean, you can use some fibs. You can use some fibs and try and look at it. Up 60% on AVAX on a short. Yeah, he said he was 16 was his next order. So, wow, bit pump. Ethereum's pumping too. XRP's lagging. It's over 37 cents. BNB at 286. Cardano at 32 and a half, a little more. Matic at 89, going on 90. Oh man, this market is going insane. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump. It is 7:04. It is 7:04. I gotta go. And that's the show. I really hate it. But it is what it is, Yeah, so guys, if you enjoyed me, thank you for joining me, first of all. I love you guys. Thank you for all your love and support. If you haven't already, please like the stream, like the video, whatever you call it. I need to update the Discord invite in the description box, but I will put that down in the description box. I've also, for some reason, I can't, you can have a description box on your YouTube channel, right? And it'll keep giving you the description box, the same one. You can choose that option. Oh, I want to use the same description box, and I want that for but for some reason on my lives it's not there. I gotta change it before I do a live next time. So that's probably just more prep work. And so what I'm trying to say is the current Discord invite in the bottom, in the description box right now is probably expired. So right after the stream, I'm gonna go on there and I'm gonna put a new invite in there. So if you want to join the Discord, if you're new to the channel, hit that sub. But yeah, if you want to join the Discord, it's in the description box. It will be. And yeah, just thanks for coming by. Thanks for chatting, guys. Man, this has been awesome. I love seeing a nice, full, active chat. That's awesome, man. I love you guys. For always. And I will see you in the Discord for sure, because we've got some price action going on. And yeah, it's just fun. But right now, I gotta go, because family's about to probably get back from church. Yeah, that's right. I didn't go to church so I could stream while the market's pumping. Duh. Duh, dude. Duh, dude. Hang 10, bruh. Hang 10, bruh. Surf's up, bruh. That's going to be it, guys. Thank you for coming in. Yeah. This is Lunar Beaches Crypto. Let's go to the moon. Let's ride the waves in the oceans of the moon. And one day I'm going to have a proper send off that I'm going to like read off on a sheet. Like blockchain backers got your back, but, it's not that because that's taking somebody else's stuff. So, anyway, I'm going to get out of here, guys. Love you guys. See you next time. And I'll see a lot of you in Discord. Peace out.